Today we're going to show you how to replace the engine oil and oil filter in Lexus UX. The oil that it requires is 0W16. I will remove the oil cap. This will allow the oil to drain freely. Now we are going to block one of the rear wheels, since we'll be lifting the front of the vehicle. We are using the hydraulic jack. We'll have to push it inside, and we have to bend the handle like this. Put jack stands underneath these metallic points and make sure the height of the jack stand is the same on both sides. And the right side. Now we need to remove 4 screws to remove this plastic panel. I will show you what we have underneath the cover. First of all, this is our drain plug right here. And on the left we have the oil filter. Put the oil drain pan inside, and for the drain plug we will use 14mm socket. Unscrewed counterclockwise. You need to give about 5 minutes for the oil to drain completely, and also, and this is an important step, you will see that the old gasket is stuck right now, and we'll have to remove it and replace it. If you leave the old one, it may start leaking. So always when you remove your drain plug, don't forget to remove this washer. This is the old washer. This is how it looks, guys. And on the filter we have a new one. You have to purchase them separately. Unfortunately, they don't come with the filter, but they're not expensive. We will use this new one with our drain plug. And we can reinstall the drain plug. First I will hand tighten it, and now I will use the torque wrench. The torque is 30 foot-pounds. Next we're going to remove the oil filter. In some cases you can do it by hand. We have to turn it counterclockwise. But as you can see right now, it's not coming off, and that's why we'll have to use oil filter wrench. We'll use this type of the oil filter wrench. Ratchet goes in here, and now we will unscrew it this way. Понятно. So looks like our filter is completely over tightened. For the record, guys, it was done at the dealership, the last service, and most likely we'll have to break it apart, but we'll try to avoid it. We'll try the bend wrench now. Oh, and I think it starts to go. There it goes. So this will be the way to remove the stock filter, guys. You have to use this type of the wrench. And luckily we were able to do it with this guy. Now we moved our pan underneath because oil will start leaking from the filter. Unscrew it all the way now. You can put the filter right here. It will allow it to drain while we are working on the vehicle. Now I will use a rag to clean the surface where the filter, the new one, will go. This is our new filter, and this is the part number for the Lexus UX. Oh, look at it, nice and not damaged. So I will remove this seal. Filter actually comes pre-lubricated. Nevertheless, we will still add a little bit of fresh oil on top. It won't harm it, and hopefully will prevent it to get stuck like it happened before. And another step that you guys can do is you can put a little bit of oil inside the filter. You don't have to do this step, there's no requirement, but in theory it will minimize the amount of time that engine works with low oil. So it will be absorbed by the filter material shortly, and then we will install it in the vehicle. Now I will install the new one. Once the filter touches the mounting flange, you have to turn it 3/4 of a turn, so it will be 1, 2, and 3. So approximately like this, guys. This will be enough. This will guarantee that the filter doesn't come off, doesn't unscrew, doesn't start to leak, and it won't be over tightened like we saw before. You will be, next time when you do it, you will be able to unscrew it by hand. So again, I will tighten it a little bit more, but always check it. If you can do it by hand, then it's good. So 3/4 of a full turn. Now we're going to put the oil inside. For this we'll use this type of funnel. The good thing about it is you simply screw it inside this opening, and this will eliminate any possible leaks. This is a great tool, and we recommend you guys to get one of these. Again, we are using 0W16 oil, and we are using original Toyota oil. For the hybrid Lexus UX, you need to put in 4.3 liters when you replace both the engine oil and the oil filter. Is going to be 4.3. For the gas version, gas-only version of the Lexus UX, you need to add 4.6 liters of oil. So again, we will demonstrate to you guys how this funnel works. No leaks, everything goes inside, and it's very easy to use. After you're done, simply unscrew the funnel and use a rag this way, and reinstall the oil cap. Again, don't over tighten it either, because otherwise you won't be able to remove it afterwards. Now we're going to start the vehicle and let the engine work for about 5 minutes. If your hybrid doesn't start right away, just tap the gas pedal and the engine will start working. After the vehicle has worked for a few minutes, now we can check for leakage. Also, be careful, it may be hot if you have left it longer sitting, so the engine may be hot. Let it cool down. Now, as you can see, I'm swiping with my finger around the drain plug. There is nothing, there is no oil, and that's exactly what we are looking for. And around the filter, same story. I'm checking, and again, I don't see any oil. So if we had any leaks, this is where they would be. Now we can reinstall this plastic cover. This end will go in first. It has this hook like this. There's even an arrow right here. And now we can reinstall all the screws. And the last step, guys, we will check the engine oil level. For that, you can do a short drive, let the engine work a little bit, then let the vehicle sit for a few minutes, let the oil settle down. And now I will remove the dipstick. First I will clean all the oil, reinsert it, make sure it goes in all the way. And now we should be able to see the level of the oil, and yes, here it is, approximately approaching the maximum mark. This is a minimum mark and this is a maximum mark, and our oil is approximately right here, which means that we did everything the right way and our oil change is complete. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. We will see you in the next one.